the prediction. Where Natsu and Ganjil going to regain a composure and finish off the last demon. That's what's going to happen there. 2, we're gonna get a chance to see finally what Gerard is doing. Him and Midnight in the game going to go and help them defeat the Face. The release is that what I've been predicting for weeks, but there ain't no point, ain't nothing to hold them back right now, so we'll get the chance to finally see it. And we're gonna actually see Sting and Rogue actually lose against the Demon King, or they all gonna combine their strength, because the other two, where Gonzil and Natsu go run over to help them, and it'll be the 4th Dragon Slayers versus the Demon King. Which is what I see transpiring. Julia is hurt, and I think Gray gonna try to come over there and see her. That's all that I could think of that could happen in that chapter. But anyway, until you guys think about that, and make sure you guys rate, comment, and subscribe. Also, make sure you guys check out Mizuki Dragon Value 1. The ebook is $3.03, and have a good one. Peace out.